Today, we'll explore what contemporary really means and why it matters in social studies. When you hear the word contemporary, what comes to mind? Do you think of something modern, new, or present day? Let's dig deeper into this idea. The word contemporary comes from Latin, con, which means together, and tempus, which means time. So literally, it means belonging to the same period of time. In simple terms, contemporary refers to what is happening in our present time. It's about the issues, events, and realities we are living through right now. In social studies, when we say contemporary, we are usually referring to events from the 20th century up to today. These are global issues, ideas, and changes that shape how we live. Some examples of contemporary issues include climate change, migration, technology and AI, conflicts, and human rights. These are challenges that affect people worldwide. Why should we study the contemporary world? Because it helps us understand society today, analyze our global connections, and prepare for future challenges. To end, here's a reflection question for you. If contemporary means our time, what makes our present unique compared to the past? That's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss the next one. This is Social Studies Simplified, where we understand the past, engage the present, and shape the future.